Welcome to 7 days of Simple and Stretchy. All we're going to do for the next 7 days is stretch a little bit each day so that you can see how simple stretching can be. We're going to start today with the neck, and over the next 7 days we're going to work our way through the whole body. But for today, we're going to start with the neck. And the way it's going to work, it's just a few minutes, is that I use a timer, and the timer is set for 30 seconds. And the main reason why we're using a timer is that you can do this on your own. You don't have to worry about counting, you don't have to worry about remembering how many you have to do on each one, but you simply be like, okay, we do 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other, this and that, and then you're done. So we're going to get started simply getting our head on straight. Then, I've started the timer. We're going to gently tilt our head side to side. Nothing extreme. We're relaxing the shoulders and we're showing our neck, not telling, but showing our neck that we're able to move. And what happens is that if we don't move like this a little bit each day, our body forgets that it can move like this. And it tends to get tighter and tighter and tighter. That was 30 seconds. Now we're going to say no, slowly and precisely. So what does that mean? I started the timer and I'm going this way and the other way. And let's say this is too much for you. Guess what you can do? You do it less. Remember, your optimal range of motion is not necessarily your maximal range of motion, but it's the range that you can do that feels good and safe. And over time, if you do these stretches, we get to increase our optimal feel-good range of motion. That was 30 seconds. So we have one more stretch each side, and this one we're simply going to hold. So we're going to tilt our head to the side, and we'll take our hand to the side of the temple. If this is too much for you, drop your head forward, but if you can, see if you can shine your cheek towards the ceiling. The opposite shoulder is relaxed, and you simply be patient. And you stay in a stretch long enough for it to work. Relax the shoulder, relax the neck. Bring yourself up. And before we go to the other side, just notice the difference between the two sides already, and it's only your first day. So we tilt the head to the side, the hand is on the temple, the shoulder is relaxed, and we get out of our own way, and we simply breathe. Relax the shoulder, soften the face, and get curious about what happens when we stay in a stretch long enough for it to work. So good. That was 30 seconds. Now you're done with your first day of Simple and Stretchy. Let me know how it went. Let me know how a few good minutes perhaps made your whole day better. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 2.